If you're anything like me, you probably hate when laundry takes over your whole room, especially when you don't have a proper spot to hang things while they dry. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and this clothes drying rack from HEILAIYI has honestly made laundry day feel so much more organized in my space. What I really love is how it only takes up space when I actually need it. When I'm not using it, it folds right back against the wall, so everything still feels open and uncluttered. But when I do need it, I can just pull it out and instantly have extra drying space. I've been using it for clothes I don't want to put in the dryer, like delicate pieces or things I just want to air dry properly. And it's been so nice having a dedicated spot instead of draping things over chairs or random surfaces. It also has multiple hanging bars and hooks, which makes it really easy to separate items so everything dries properly without overlapping too much. It really helps keep my space looking cleaner, more organized, and I actually really look forward to laundry day now. And that's just my point of view.